need to access your PC or any another PC which is located at a remote location, and you have a problem in setting a remote desktop connection, which is the Windows feature, then today I'm going to tell you about an application which will solve this problem. So watch this video. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Techie Avinav. This is Avinav, and today I am going to tell you about a remote desktop application called Anyviewer. Anyviewer is basically a remote desktop application which is available for Windows. As you all know, I am a software developer and I sometimes I need to access my client's computer. So I use this application Anyviewer, and it is hassle-free software and very easy to use for my customers also, as they don't have a much technical knowledge. So Anyviewer is an application which is very easy to set up, and using this application you can transfer files very fastly, and as compared to the other remote desktops applications available in the market, it is cheaper. Even free versions of this software is available. You can download this software from the link given below in the description, or I can take you to my PC and show how you can download this application and use it. And I will tell you about the features of this application in this video. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share this video to the people who need this application, and please subscribe to my channel so that you can get updates for more upcoming videos. So let's go to our PC. To download, you can visit anyviewer.com, or you can visit the link given below in the description box. Once you visit the Anyviewer website, you will see a prompt to download freeware. You can click on download freeware. Then you will land to the download page for Windows, for iOS and for Android. So I am going to download it for Windows. So you can click on free download. It's just a file of 39 MB, and as you can see, download has been started. Once the download has been completed, you can double click on this application to install it. I have already installed this application, so I am not going to reinstall it. Before we proceed, I can show you what are the pricing for this Anyviewer application. Anyviewer application is free for 2 channels. You can use it for 3 assigned devices. You can see what are the features that you will get in the free version and what you will get in the professional version, or what you will get in the enterprise version. As you compare the prices with the other remote desktop applications, it is much cheaper. So now we are going to launch our Anyviewer application. Just double click. So this is the user interface in which you can see there is a remote desktop ID. This is the ID that you will give to another person who will take control of your PC, and this is the temporary security code that you will provide to the other person to take control of your PC. And if you want to control the other PC, you need the device ID of that PC and this security code. So to control other PC, just enter the device ID of another PC, as I am entering it, 972.521 and 246, and I will click on connect. I want to remotely control the system, or if you want to file transfer, you can click over there. Just click on connect. I will not enter the security code. I will ask my partner to approve this request. So send a request, and the request has been sent, and I am allowing the request on another PC. The request has been approved, and you will see the connection for the remote device has just been started. And you can see I can access the remote PC. Here are different options that are available. You can chat. As you can see, I can type on hi. So as you can see, I can chat over here. There are different operations modes available. Just you can lock the system or control alt delete or restart the PC, or you can use the command prompt. So in this way, you can use the remote desktop application for PC. Now I am going to show you how you can use this application for your Android devices. Anyviewer remote desktop program for Android. By using Anyviewer application, you can seamlessly control your PC from Android devices from any location. To download Anyviewer remote desktop application, go to Play Store and search for Anyviewer remote desktop application and download it from there. Once you have downloaded it from there, you can click on Open button and Anyviewer application will be launched. You must download Anyviewer application on your PC also. Then only you can control your PC. Log in into the Anyviewer application by using your username and the password. Once you have logged in to the Anyviewer panel, now you can remotely control your PC. To control your PC, please enter the device ID. Here my device ID is 268,464 and 645, and I will click on connect. Now it would ask for a input security code or a send control request. I click on send control request, and on my PC I have accepted the connection. Finished, and connection has been established over here. As you can see, I can see my desktop over here. So I have shown you how you can remotely access a PC from a PC, or how you can access a PC from an Android device. So Anyviewer is a powerful remote support that helps you save time and improve the efficiency of problem solving. So whether you have to remotely access access, or you want to use for remote monitoring or a remote gaming or for a remote support, you must use Anyviewer. Thanks for watching this video.